Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Jorgensen of Living Well with Dr. Michelle, and you might be able to hear the little cheeping behind me because we have our spring chickens going over here. There's our egg layers, there's our meat chickens, and they're in two separate brooder boxes because already right off the bat they have different needs. It's kind of interesting. This is something that I write quite a bit about in my new book, Self-Sufficient Living. I talk about backyard animals. Backyard animals are really an integral part of self-sufficient living, and it's difficult to do it without them for a couple of reasons that I'll explain. Number one, they're a good source of protein and fats. We need those things in our diet. Plants are fabulous, but they don't always have all of the nutrients that we need. So eggs from my egg layers are a really good source of some of these healthy things that we need in our bodies. The other thing that they do is they actually do a lot of composting for us. So what we do is we put all of our kitchen scraps into our chicken run. They sift through it, eat it, poop on it, do all that, and then we pull all of that out and put it into our compost pile. And it's accelerated the composting process for us. So we really rely on chickens a lot for that. There's a lot of other things other backyard animals do as well. Whether it be goats, we had goats for some time where we had milk goats, and they provided a lot for us as well. You can have a cow in a backyard if you have a large enough backyard. You can do rabbits. That's a common backyard animal. So those are the three that I cover in the book: chickens, goats, and rabbits. There are also a lot of other things that you can add from an animal perspective. You can have bees. That's a backyard animal. You can have ducks. They really do add a lot of fertility to your growing systems, your harvesting systems, the way you're sustaining and supporting yourself. It is a system, and it needs to be complete. Now, we don't provide everything for ourselves, but we come pretty darn close, and the animals help us to be able to do that. So I really encourage you to look into some backyard animals, and they're really cute when they're this size. So look into that and make sure to check out my book. It's on sale on Amazon right now until we launch this book. So make sure you get it in the next few days, and I'm excited to share more. Be at my book launch event. It's going to be amazing.